Okay. 안녕. The lighting looks kind of wonky. Look at what Kaelin bought me today. Cute. She got me stuffy. Yeah. Alright. Oh no. She top heavy. Okay. Alright. So I did something a little crazy. I've been thinking about this for some time. Why am I really awkward all of a sudden? Anyway, I bought some stuff, so let's take a look at it. For reference, I went to the Apple store, and I think my father might be disappointed. So I bought a lot of stuff. So first of all, I bought the 12.9 inch. Where is it? iPad Pro, and I'm very excited. It's so pretty. They even make it, oh my gosh, that is so cool. That is sick. Apple, just chef's kiss is genius. I like had this out and everything. I didn't even need it. The sales guy was like super sweet and super helpful, and he literally could have convinced me to buy anything, so I'm glad that Kaelin was there. I can't open it. Oh, I got it. Oh. I'm scared. Okay. And I got the magic keyboard. So like it's magnetic here, and it does stuff, and it's a keyboard. It even has a little trackpad on it. Y sí, pues ya tú sabes. You know, I buy stuff, questionable things. And then, of course, I had to get the, what is this? The Apple Pencil. And it's so pretty, and I'm in love with it. Yeah. It like is magnetic and stuff. I'm really tired. It's actually, we left the house at 1:30, and it's like 9 p.m. It's 10 p.m. So we've been out all day, and I had lugged this around all day. So I'm gonna show you what I got now, and yeah. I'm scared. What if I drop it? Okay, I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. I'm scared that I'm gonna break it. I need adult supervision. It's so cute. Hola.
Like they have it.
Look, they boarded something.
But you have to like let the water in certain places. Maybe it's the dungeons. Oh my god.
And then look back.
This way?
Yeah, but no, turn around.
This way.
No, like
Your whole body.
My whole body?
And then look back.
Oh, that's cute.
You know what I want to do right now is run along the roof.
You know what's a good way to get you arrested?
Running along the roof?
Yeah. Probably a little bit different.
It's lucky that I have no flexibility or strength, so I couldn't climb that high anyway.
So how'd you get deported? I climbed the roof.
Charlie, just interrupting my video. Yeah. Making the ancestors proud. Gingivitis. Do the little SpongeBob stand. Ooh.
Oh, you're still recording me.
We swaggin'.